So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And then once you run this, we're going to be going through 3 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you do not see System Restore in this list, then you're going to click on See More Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on System Restore. And then once this comes up, if you have any restore points enabled on your computer, then you're going to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. This should now fix your problem. If you don't have any restore points, then we're going to click on Cancel. And now for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk c:/f/f/r. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're just going to close out of this. And now you're going to continue to Windows, and then this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the third method, you're going to come back into the screen like I showed you how to do at the start of the video. Now once you run this, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, and now you're going to click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, then you're going to click on Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, then you're going to click on Remove Everything. You just want to go through these steps, reset your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.